if you have ever searched how to make small use online, probably you have probably come across the terms affiliate marketing, and for good reason. It's one of the easiest and fastest ways to earn passive income online. And if you do it right, in this video, I'm going to walk you through exact how to start affiliate marketing as a complete beginner in 2025. No website, no experience, and even if you have zero followers. So, what exactly is affiliate marketing? In a simple terms, like affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product or services and you earn commissions every time someone buys through your link. So think of it like a digital salesperson, but instead of knocking on your door, your link do the selling for you online. So here's the breakdown right now. So you sign up on an affiliate programs like Amazon, ClickBank, Seller, or even a course platform. So they give you a special link called an affiliate link. So you share the link on social media like YouTube, blogs, or anywhere online like Facebook and Instagram. If someone clicks and buy, you get paid. Now let's talk about what you actually need to get started. Like you don't need much, but here are three essential. Number one is a niche. Pick a topic you enjoy and that people are already buying in. It could be finance, health, fitness, fashion, tech, or even digital skills. Number two is an affiliate product. You need something valuable to promote. You can find product on platform like Seller, S Partner, Amazon Associate, ClickBank, DigiSnare DigiSnare Hub, and others. Number three is content for a content platform. So this is where you promote your link like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp status, blog, or even Telegram groups. So let's move into the section 3 of this video. So how do you pick the right product? So one of the biggest mistakes beginner make is promoting random products. So here is how to choose the right product. Look for high converting products. So choose something that solves a real problem. Like people pay for solving pain. Like check commission rates. Aim for 30% to 50% or more before you choose that product. Then promote things you have used or trust. If you don't know anything about the product you want to promote, it will be hard for you to start making money with it. Right? So promote digital products like online course or software because they usually have higher commission than physical goods. Right? So section 4 right here is how to promote your affiliate link. So now here is where the magics happen, like promotions. Don't just drop link randomly. Focus on providing value first. Here are proven promotional methods. Like number one is YouTube. What you need to do is to create tutorial reviews or how-to videos relate to your product and add your link in the description. Same to TikTok, Instagram, same to blogging and website. You just write article on your website or blogging and can do this on Facebook and Twitter, right? And then there is email marketing, which you can do by generating email from your audience, then sending them promotional message every day on their email account, right? So mistakes to avoid, right? Before we wipe up, here are some affiliate marketing mistakes to avoid: promoting too many products at once, not providing value before sharing your links, like spamming groups with your links and not tracking your results. So we give up too early. Like affiliate marketing take consistency. Affiliate marketing is rules, it works, and everyone can do it. Even if you are just starting with your smartphone, start with one product, pick one platform, and stay consistent. And remember, your first commission might be small, but it proves that this works. If you want more step-by-step tutorial, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and drop questions in the comment section. And if you are serious about learning affiliate marketing right away, go to the comment section and drop your question there.